federal court just struck down President Trump's quote-unquote Liberation Day tariff orders on the grounds that screaming quote-unquote emergency is not a cheat code that allows him to act without congressional approval. Because the Constitution didn't give the president any of this kind of power. It gives Congress exclusive powers to quote, lay and collect taxes, duties, imposts, and excises, and to regulate commerce with foreign nations. This is a bedrock principle of constitutional law. Although the Constitution gives Congress the power to levy tariffs, President Trump has argued that his tariffs are justified by the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, known as IEEPA, which does give the president some authority to regulate international commerce in response to unusual or extraordinary foreign threats. But as we talked about, a group of small companies sued Trump, alleging that his tariffs would probably put them out of business. They alleged that the tariffs exceeded the president's authority under IEEPA and violate the Constitution. And the US Court for International Trade just agreed with them. We do not read IEEPA to delegate an unbounded tariff authority to the president. We instead read IEEPA's provisions to impose meaningful limits on any such authority confers. Two are relevant here. So, TLDR, IEEPA is still not a cheat code for rewriting trade policy. Now, if you imposed illegal tariffs and caused billions of dollars in damages, you'll probably want a good lawyer. But if you want a great lawyer, let my law firm, the Eagle Team, help. If you've gotten in a car crash, suffered a data breach, especially if you got one of those data breach letters saying your information might have been leaked, or dealing with a workers' comp or social security issue, we can represent you or help find you the right attorney. By the way, we don't get paid unless you do, so there's nothing up front. So just click on the link in the description or call the phone number on screen for a free consultation with my team. Because you don't just need a legal team, you need the Eagle Team.